Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to put password in hidden album on iPhone. So as you can see, currently I'm in my iPhone Photos app and in gallery or album section, and here currently this is my hidden album. Currently it's unlocked. Now I will show you how to lock this hidden album. Go to your iPhone settings app and scroll down. Tap on Photos, and here you will find this option, Use Face ID. Face ID is required to view the hidden and recently deleted albums. So just enable this Use Face ID option, and then I'm going to relaunching my Photos app, going to Albums, and as you can see, next to hidden and recently deleted albums, here we can see a little locked icon. It means these two albums are locked now. Now to unlock or access these two albums, I have to verify my Face ID or my passcode. So this is how we can add or put lock next to hidden album. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.